What we're talking about is the side series set. And in this side series set, you're going to get quite a bit. Now you get your plastic storage covers, which I'll remove here because I want you to see the baking pieces that you're going to get along with this. A 1.5 quart bowl, a 2 quart, and also a 3 quart baker. I believe that's. Let's have Tara explain this because I want to make sure that I'm not confused because clearly I am a little bit. Let's say hello to Tara, who's joining us live via Skype. Tara, help me understand because I'm reading the long description and I want to make sure I get this right. So this size bowl is?
You have a 1.5 quart bowl,
yes.
You have a 2 quart baker, and you have a 14-inch serving platter.
Perfect. My information on my card is wrong. Okay.
Yeah. And your bakers come with snap-on storage covers. So
thank you
nice
for that.
Personal size in your 14-inch, nice doable size in your 2 quart oval, and then of course your 1.5 quart. And we call this the side series, David, because it's perfect for maybe just you, maybe just the two of you, or a small family. And that's what we've been asked time and time again. You know, you love our big sets, but you also want some of those key pieces that you can pepper into the sets you've already been collecting.
Well, Tara, these are beautiful and so perfect for those side series that we're talking about, being able to enjoy side dishes that you'll bring to the dinner table, a platter where you might bring your main dish or your protein on. Whatever the case may be, we've got it for you in this setup, and we're offering it also to you at an expiring price. This price goes away end of day today, Miss Tara.
Yes, I saw that. Uh-oh.
So now would be the time to pick it up. Now we have lots of choices for you. We're going to begin here in the floral lace, and this is the blue floral lace. 700 to go around. From there we go to cranberry, 100. Then the red, 375. Then the black, 400. Then the taupe, 200. And then the gray, 150. While we're there, let's come down to the old world gray, 500. Old world taupe, 250. Green, fewer than 100. Here's the black, 200. Here's the red, 150. The confetti, which Tara collects, right here, 450. And finally the blue, 300 to go around. All of these are baking vessels if we decide them to be, or that one platter could be a sheet that you bake on or warm on, whatever the case may be, or serve in. Cold or hot, stoneware does it all.
Absolutely, and these are all individually hand-painted, right, David? So if you walk over to confetti, we actually did a whole look in a second. I'll show you what I have here. So we did a little bit of a Mexican meal, and then in the confetti, we actually did kind of like a game day. But take a peek here. Here we did a beautiful set of enchiladas, and because you can put this right in the oven, and because of those great helper handles, it's now easy to come in and out, whether it's the fridge, the freezer. You get, of course, that snap-on storage cover is also included, but you're literally prepping, cooking, serving, and storing, in this case, making amazing enchiladas, and bringing it right to the table. On the platter, 14 inches, and this is what we're always asked for. This will fit in your Oster. This will fit in those countertop ovens. We have a beautiful stuffed chicken tacos here. And then last but not least, we did a little of our rice in our 1.5 quart bowl. So you can see how we kind of did 2 of our entrees and 1 of our little side dishes in what we call our side series.
Now here we did a big game setup, as Tara mentioned. So there's hot spinach artichoke dip in the 1.5 quart bowl. We also did beautiful wings in our 2 quart baker. And then our platter is full of mozzarella cheese sticks, onion rings, and chicken tenders.
Yes, please.
Yes, please. And remember, that platter can be used for serving. So think about Valentine's Day with a great big platter of cupcakes for your family. If you're building a trifle inside that 1.5 cup, baking a cake in the 2 cup, really perfect for that. But then, Tara, we think about dinner time and regular Tuesday nights when we're taking care of our family, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
100%.
Here's breaded chicken parm on the platter, some baked pasta and sauce in the 1.5 quart, and a great big old Caesar salad in the 2 quart. 400 sets are now gone. If I've got leftovers at the end of that meal, I can clip on plastic storage covers and pop it right into my fridge. The next day, I can pop it right into my microwave for quick reheating, or take the lid off and pop it back in my oven. And that's what's really so perfect about this. Now you're getting the 1.5 quart bowl, the 2 quart baker, and that wonderful platter, which I believe is 14 inches, Tara?
Correct, yes, 14.
Okay. Now, down below is floral lace in the blue. I have 650 left to go around. Here's red, or excuse me, cranberry. 7 dozen in the red, 350, then the black, 350, then the taupe, 180, and then the gray floral lace, 130. Down below is gray Old World, 450, gray taupe, or excuse me, taupe Old World, 230 green, 450, there's the black. Fewer than 200, here's your red, 140 left. Confetti is next, 380, and then finally the blue, 275. This is one where price will go away at end of day today. Let me encourage you to remember that in addition to the price going away, the 5 easy payments goes with it. So now would be a time for you to think about picking this up and adding this to your collection. What we're not asking you to do is commit to a great big baking set. We're asking you to commit to a side set. A set that will help you with serving. Maybe it's a smaller family. Maybe these are side dishes. Maybe they're for family gatherings, small parties once we're able to do that more. And again, these are going to be the kinds of pieces that you reach for. And then again, they also go into your dishwasher really easily for quick and easy cleanup. Tara, what a pleasure to have you here today with 3 of your gorgeous items.
Thank you so much, David. And it all nests down when you want to go ahead and store it. So couldn't be easier. Love the apron. Love seeing you, my friend. Love what you said about this show and the community. It is just spot on, and I'm honored to be a very small part of it.
Well, no, you're a big part of it, and we appreciate you so much. Here, I want to show you that nesting real quickly. As you put all those pieces together, or if you just want to take the lids out, then just nest it right into the platter, which makes that really simple and easy. Don't miss out on this. We're very busy on our phone lines. Take advantage of this and get yours before your color choice is gone. All right, we've got one final item in our big 4-hour show today.